Yo, what's up?
Oh, hey man, how's it going? I'm just calling from outside.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah, hey, listen, I got a question. Do you know how I can create this effect as if I'm talking on the telephone?
Oh, yeah, that's super easy. I can show you how to do that in like Premiere Pro, no problem. Alright, it is super simple and I can demonstrate how to do that in Premiere Pro in, I don't know, like under 30 seconds. Timer. So first things first, I put the video where I'm holding my phone and saying nothing above the track where the person on the other side of the line is speaking. Then I make a cut to isolate that particular section. Now I go to the Essential Sounds panel on the right hand side and I mark that specific section as dialogue. Then I can choose from a variety of presets and I'm gonna choose, you guessed it, on the telephone. So let's replay that to show you how it sounds.
Question. Do you know how I can create this effect as if I'm talking on the telephone?
So the default setting sounds quite distorted. So if you want to reduce that and make it a little bit more subtle, just pull down the clarity slider to something, I don't know, like 6.5, and let's replay it again.
Question. Do you know how I can create this effect as if I'm talking on the telephone?
That's a pretty cool way to pull off that telephone effect. If you found value in this, please hit the like button. And if you want to hang out with me, I'm Eric. On this channel we talk photo, filmmaking and travel. So if you're into that kind of thing, feel free to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video.